Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Tuesday, February 17th, 2026. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks. So, another great day in the WealthCharts live training room. And let me just kind of break it down what I talked about there this morning and show you the trades as well. So, first of all, this is the daily chart on the NASDAQ. Okay, so the daily chart of the NASDAQ, you can see here the champion cross, the channel's been widening, and we keep getting these flat bottom Heikin-Ashi. And so even though there is support coming up here, my bias overall as a day trader is looking for short side trades. Okay, so overall, my bias being more aggressive was going to be on short side trades. The Heikin-Ashi algorithm as well is bearish. And at the time, we also had a TRP cross recently to the downside. So I liked it as a day trader looking for short opportunities as my favorite. Okay. Then when you kind of break it down, looking at the volume profile. Okay. So what I mentioned as we came in, right here is 945. And what I said was, look out for the fake out, because just like yesterday, the exact same thing happened yesterday where the market reacted. Here's the gap that I manually drew, saying this is where the magnet is. This is where price wants to go to with higher probabilities. It hit that to the T here. And then once we got the flat bottom, Heikin-Ashi right here. Okay, I'm sorry, flat top. That flat top Heikin-Ashi right there. Then we were all geared for that short play based on what I've told you so far. Okay. And so when you look at this again, looking at that daily as a reminder, flat top, we were looking for bearish opportunities there. Okay. Then when you look at the way it was executed, so this is the 1 minute chart on the NQ. Okay. And so right here, see the Laguerre, this is roughly at 940. We went to a sell zone again with a flat top, just a beautiful setup. Absolutely I mean, I couldn't have drew it out any better. Beautiful setup. I grabbed 37 ticks and got out at 37 ticks. Others, again, held a little bit longer. And then I was done for the day. Okay. Based on my PA accounts, that I was done for the day. Then others took a trade here and a trade here as well. But just a fantastic opportunity. So again, it all played out just like it did on Monday. Absolutely perfect. But what we're doing is we're just giving ourselves the best opportunities, right? Nothing's guaranteed in trading, folks. But what I want to do is, so tomorrow, okay, which is February 18th, tomorrow, Wednesday, February 18th at 10 o'clock Eastern, come join me. I'm going to do a training on my advanced Heikin-Ashi. Just as a reminder, I have over 6 figures in payouts just with Apex alone. Okay. So I want to continue to show and teach this strategy to everybody. I want everybody to use Heikin-Ashi with my trading system, folks. So again, becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Look forward to seeing you all tomorrow, 10 o'clock Eastern. All right. Have a great day, everyone, and good luck.